In this video, we will explore how to analyze product prices and profit margins using Spocket. First, we are examining all products in the jewelry and watch categories. Here, you can see the cost price of the product is $53, and the price you would charge your customer is $80. This cost includes the amount you pay to the supplier. You can also see the shipping fee for customers, which is clearly displayed. The delivery time for this product ranges from 8 to 14 days, which is quite long, so it is important to identify products that have a low purchase price, but can be sold at a higher retail price. All associated fees are transparently displayed. For example, products shipped from the United States have fees of only $4.5, and delivery times range from 7 to 14 days depending on the customer's location. This allows you to approach customers more efficiently and ensure better profitability. By understanding these key metrics, you can make informed decisions about which products to sell, how to price them, and how to optimize shipping for your customers. Analyzing prices and profit clearly will help you scale your dropshipping business effectively using Spocket. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.